Wow.
Dapat yata nauna yung 6 na man na woman, tapos
Ano mistress?
kayo nagka-mistress.
Mas madali ito kaysa sa You Changed My Life.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. People are raving about the film.
Thank you.
And this is probably going to be your biggest... It will. It is your biggest hit. I mean,
Of the franchise.
of the franchise.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tingin ko din.
Diba?
And I'm very happy.
Happy ka? Yeah.
Happy ako because in the beginning, you know, I'll tell you the process. In the beginning, sabi ko nga kanina, pareho kami ni Direk, hindi namin mahanap ang sarili namin sa pelikula para ba kaming nangangapa. Because that's the very essence of the beginning of the story. Si Miggy, yung character ko, lost.
You don't have to say character. We all know.
Ayun. So,
Miguel Aida, okay.
So, ayun, yung naging process namin, then may ginawa akong ibang pelikula na I'm considering truly a blessing in disguise. And then, binalikan namin to. Kasi, on a personal level, nung sinimulan namin to before the mistress, nung nagsisimula kami, in one of the meetings, hindi kami okay ni Sara eh. Hindi kami nag-uusap nun eh. Hindi kami, meron kaming hindi pagkakaintindihan noon. Na para sa akin, parang nahihirapan ako. Umabot siya sa ganun. Hanggang sa, grabe yung dinaanan nitong pelikulang to. Yung dinaanan ni Derek Cathy, dinaanan ni Sarah. Because, again, sa pelikulang to, kailan yung last? 2008, 2009? So, ilang years yung dumaan. Naging essential siya sa character ni Lyda.
It happened at the right time again.
Yeah.
Tamang oras.
Best way to put it.
Cinema Evaluation Board rated it A.
I know.
Diba? Parang, what have you done to deserve all this?
Ang alam ko lang, binigay namin lahat dito.
At magpasalamat ka na rin, Lloydie.
Sa lahat.
Sa lahat talaga.
No, salamat. Kung sino man yung nanonood ngayon na naging bahagi ng journey ko mula nung hinabol ako ni Reggie Pecayo na kundi dahil sa kanya.
Hindi ba ang galing sa sinihan din, no?